Okay, 6:50 a.m. Everything I think I need today. Heading down to hotel breakfast.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Off to the job. I feel rain right now, but it's been raining. Let's head to the job. And we're off. Back off to the job. 45 degrees, about the same that it was yesterday. Back over the Hudson River here, guys. Beautiful view here. Beautiful. Hey guys, it's about 5:30. Just left the job. Pulled another about a 10-hour day, a little bit more slightly. Heading back to the hotel. I don't think I have to go to ShopRite. The only thing I would like to get that I didn't write down and get yesterday was hand sanitizer, because the porta potty has no hand sanitizer in there. So I'm basically wiping my you-know-what and then kind of rinsing my hands in some clean water. That's all I really got there. So something. No running water on site. The builder's been bringing us water so we can mix our setting materials with. So today we mudded the shower, the big master shower base with the line drain. Got that done, and then I continue on with the powder room with the 6x6 going in. Those tiles are like out of thickness, out of size, out of square. So I'm basically every 4 rows or so, I'm adjusting them, making sure I stay on my lines. I got some plumb lines, some level lines, and stay on those lines, and shooting a laser when necessary to make sure everything is lining up as accurate as possible. Anyway, heading back to the hotel. I'm actually a little bit tired, but not too bad. I haven't been sleeping too well, oddly, because I feel like I'm getting a little anxiety about the alarm not going off on the phone and being late. So it's been weird with sleeping, you know, away from the family and the kids and all that. But otherwise everything's going well. I feel good. You know, that's really about it that's going on. So I got about another 15-minute ride back to the hotel. It's all highway here, wide open. So, take a little bit of chicken left for dinner. Potato salad, I'll have that, and that should be it for the night. I gotta make some phone calls tonight. I had a few missed calls, and there's no reception where I'm at. Even where I'm at right now, there's only 1 bar if you look at the phone there. Now it's 2 bars, but even at that, it's hard to speak with someone over the phone. So once I get back to the hotel area, I'll start making some phone calls. I got a few people to return phone calls that did not leave a voicemail. Anytime anyone calls me, I always return their call, even when they don't leave a voicemail, because you never know, you know, if it's a potential client or not. So I always get back to those calls. And I have to call a potential GC for a project, so I have to give him a call, give him the price to do the job, and see what happens with that. So wish me luck on that. That's really about it. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, gonna eat, shower. I gotta edit a video actually that I started recording. I have to finish editing it so I have it ready to put out this week. So I don't have a lapse between making videos since I'm out of town now. And I'll probably be back in the shop again next week, so I'm going to have to upload some footage from the hard drive to the laptop before I leave. That way I can edit it while I'm out here. So as far as food goes, like I said, I got the chicken potato salad tomorrow. I will probably get something out to eat. Maybe go back to ShopRite. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Get a little bit more. Have probably enough bread for. I've been eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch. I'll probably have enough for that for tomorrow. But then I need something for Friday at lunch, so that will probably pull me back to ShopRite. There's no way I'm gonna eat something out for lunch on this ShopRite if there's nothing is close enough to actually do that. It's at least a 15-minute or more ride to get some food. So I have to bring something for Friday for lunch, and then I'll probably balance. I'm not sure how long a day I'm gonna work on Friday, because if I leave like around 2, I'm gonna hit traffic in Jersey. But if I leave around 5, I should pass the traffic. So if I leave early to get home early, it'll be great, but I'll be hitting a lot of traffic. So instead of it taking 2.5 hours, it might take 3 or 3.5. So maybe I'll just work to about 5 or so, and by the time I get back in Jersey, it'll be about 6, 7 o'clock or so, and that will bypass the traffic. So we will see, but that's what I got going on. Another rainy day here. It's been raining like every day, and we're you know, they have gravel, which is great, but coming up the driveway, if it keeps raining like this, it's going to get so bad that it's going to be just straight mud, and most of the areas are really getting bad with mud on this job site. All the rain, it's getting nuts. See, the pizza place is right here, literally. This is how far I have to drive to get pizza. So it's like 30 minutes just to get it, at least, if not 40. And that's not even including heating. So prepping and having all that for lunch every day. And when I'm home, I usually have lunch too. I rarely eat out for lunch on the job sites, unless for some odd reason I didn't make lunch, or ran out of lunches for the week. Sometimes I'll have a lunch, you know, out on a Friday, but ideally I like to bring lunch no matter what. It just saves so much time. Not just time too, but the finances too. That adds up every day. If you're, you know, because lunch nowadays in 2024 is going to be $10 to $15 easily every time. And if you add that up, you could spend $50 at least or more a week just on lunch. If you do $50 a week just eating out every day for lunch at a minimum of $50, that's $200 a month, right? That can pay your fuel, your car insurance. I mean, that just, it adds up. So I mean, growing up working for my father, we eat out every day. He never wanted to prepare anything, but I'm more analytical when it comes to number stuff like that. I don't go into crazy detail of breaking down every single dollar that's coming in or going out, but I have a good idea, so that way I'm not blowing through finances when I can save a little bit here and there. And I don't know if you guys do that, either. It's nice to eat out, whatnot. You eat some decent stuff, but it adds up. And for me, it's not so much the finances, really. I mean, it definitely has a good chunk to do with why I don't, but it's more about the time that I lose going back and forth to get it. So since I'm a one-man operation, anytime that I'm not producing, then that means there's no revenue coming in. So the more time I can produce, the better. Because the job's not going to produce itself. You got to produce it. You have to get the work completed. And you have to get it done efficiently. Now, obviously, some things take more or less time, but you got to get things done and get them done well. That's just the bottom line. That's the bottom line. I had breakfast again this morning. I had an omelet again, and I had some bacon. So that was good. It was definitely pretty good. It's nice having the complimentary breakfast, I can tell you that much. That is a nice thing to have. Back on the bridge, Hudson River again. Look at that. Is that not beautiful or what? Just freaking amazing. It makes you feel so small. I mean, you agree? It just makes you feel so small. Look at a beautiful, massive river like that. This bridge, believe it or not, too, has a toll. I think it's like $2 every time I go over it. So $4 a day times 5, $20 just in tolls going over this for the week. All right, guys, so I'll see you back at the hotel. Evening. Here we are. Sweet home. They can do the beds in here every day. And they do the towels, toilet paper. Really keep it clean here. Alright guys, I'm gonna go hit the gym for a little bit. Talk to you in a little while.